Hello, today we are going to talk briefly about how to create a citation for your research project. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and open your notes page that you created already with your sources at the bottom. And you are going to use the link that is listed under today's assignment, and it says EasyBib Free Bibliography. So when you click on that link, it will bring you to this website here, and we're choosing to create a citation. Okay, and that's going to bring us to the page where we can choose which type of citation we're going to create. And since all of our sources are from a website, you're going to simply choose website. And then what we need is the URL to create our citation. So coming to your page at the bottom, I do want you to create two citations, one for the WWF website and then one from one that you found yourself. So if I'm using the WWF website here, I'm going to highlight the URL. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to go ahead and paste it into the field right here. So it says website, we paste, and then we go ahead and click search. And what that's going to do is look to see if it can find that website. As it's thinking, give it a second because sometimes it takes a minute. And then it says, oh, is this the one that you want? And we say yes, and we're going to click cite. Okay, once you do that, again, it takes a second, see how it's spinning. You gotta give it a second to work. It's gonna show you this is the information they could find. This you might have to add yourself. So we're gonna click continue. And they are going to fill in all the fields that they know, and then they'll leave little stars next to the one that they're not sure about. So if we look here at this website, you can see that they didn't have an author's name and they didn't have a year that it was published. So in order to find those things, you're going to actually use the link to open the site. So here's the site for the WWF, and always scroll down to the very bottom. Okay, so we can see World Wildlife Fund, WWF. It was published, all right, let's give it in here, in 2022. So originally it was published earlier, but this is when it's last updated, and you always want to use the newest date because that shows what the date is currently of when it's been updated on the site. So we're going to use 2022 as our date of publish. So right here, electronically published. All we need is the year, 2022. And then when it asks for an author, because these are going to be organizations, the author is going to be the organization. So in this case, it's WWF. So again, we're going to put as just the last name, WWF. And that's all you need to fill in. Once I have that filled in, I hit complete citation. Okay, it's going to load it up. Give it a second. And then it will automatically create the site for you. So you can see right here, here's the WWF Sea Turtle site, all the information that we need. And then when I hover over top of it, it gives me this option to copy citation. So I'm going to say copy citation, close out that, come back to your actual final paper that you typed. And hopefully yours is all typed by now. And at the very bottom, underneath the last one that says interesting facts, you're going to type the word sources, enter down, and then you're going to paste in your source like this. Okay? So that's mainly what we're looking for. You need to do one other then. So you'll come back to EasyBib. You're going to click Create Citation. And you're going to do the process all over again with a second website. So the second website can be any of the three that you picked yourself. So for instance, if I was this person, if I was Leah, I would choose this last one probably because this looks like another organization that would be an easy citation to create. And I do the process over again of copying the URL, pasting it into the website, and making the citation. So what I'd like you to do now is go ahead and create your two citations. If you need help with anything along the way, just raise your hand and let me know. Please don't forget to paste them underneath of sources on your final paper today so that we have them when we do our formatting. All right, good luck.